Cadasio Premium gives you access to all the great functionality of Cadasio Professional, along with a whole host of game-changing features that allow you to create, manage, and publish your interactive presentations in no time at all. Cadasio Analytics provides insights into project engagement, showing how users interact with your presentations. Useful metrics such as total views and average engagement time are easily visualized to help identify user trends. The interactive map lets you explore user locations, and you can dig deeper by getting information on a specific step to help identify any potential issues that may need attention or further explanation. You can also collect feedback and ratings from viewers, giving you insight into how well your presentations are received. Cadasio makes it easy to create engaging 3D presentations, but we appreciate that 2D documentation can still be required. Layouts eliminate the need for additional secondary tools, allowing you to export custom images and PDFs directly from your projects. With layouts, you can add images, dynamic text, and graphical elements whilst having full control over paper size, layout, and element positioning. With step images that will dynamically update with your project and reusable custom templates for consistent documents, getting a 2D output from your 3D data has never been so easy. Versions give you more control when publishing and updating your projects online. You can think of a version like a snapshot of a project at a specific point in time. With Cadasio Premium, up to 5 different versions can exist within a single project. This is extremely powerful as it reduces the number of required projects and allows you to make multiple updates without ever having to take the published project offline, making it perfect for design changes and product revisions. With the showcases, you can organise and share multiple Cadasio projects in a single link. When someone views a showcase, they are presented with a grid of the chosen projects along with a title and description, as well as the ability to download or cache the projects for offline viewing. Never worry about creating new projects or duplicating projects in order to test out new ideas. With Cadasio Premium, you can build and publish as many projects as needed to explain your procedures to your end users. Overlays are reusable templates that can be applied to any project, ensuring a consistent user experience and maintaining your company branding. These templates can include common project items such as text and images, as well as some other useful elements such as navigation tools, progress bars, and toggle buttons. With Cadasio Premium, you can create unlimited overlays, allowing easy customization for different product ranges or brands. When loading a project in the viewer, you'll notice an animated progress spinner. For personal and professional users, this spinner features the Cadasio logo. But with Premium, you can customize this to align with your company's branding or simply to add a personal touch. Rather than using our default domain of instructions.online, with Cadasio Premium, you can maintain brand awareness and consistency by having viewers navigate to your own domain. By default, all your data is stored in North America using Amazon Web Services. But premium users of Cadasio can choose to store their project data in other regions too. Choosing a server location closer to you may improve performance and ensures compliance with regional data hosting regulations. Have you had an idea for a feature you'd like to see in Cadasio? As a premium user, you get priority feature requests, meaning that new functionality suggestions can make their way into the Cadasio development roadmap sooner rather than later. Premium delivers everything that Cadasio has to offer. Sign up now at cadasio.com.